Hey everyone, I am here at the Arizona Tech Expo. Today has been a fantastic day. I've got a booth here. You can see my big sign here and my team member Tricia Beck. Say hi, Tricia. We've got lots of conversation. One of the most important things that I came away with today, I have to share, because they're talking about AI and how important it is and technology. There's so many aspects of technology here. We're in the non-technology area. However, we are in the human area. And that was the most important thing, is that with any technology, especially AI, you need the human connection. You cannot just totally send it off into tech world or AI. So I found it very interesting. Both Tricia and I had a great time, but almost every one of the panelists, when they were speaking, were talking about the human connection. So that's what we do. And talking about leadership development, team development, and executive coaching. And here I'm going to give you a quick run and look at all the folks here. Lots of booths, lots of exhibitors. There's lots of technology on the other side, remote vehicles, et cetera, et cetera. So this is a fun event, and I've really connected with some amazing people. So, and as soon as I leave here, I've got a lot of connections and be reaching out to a lot of folks too. So we'll both say goodbye, and
goodbye.
Have a good one. Bye for now.